Hello, this is Steve from Rapid Entrepreneurs, where we help individuals and business owners to start and grow their businesses through digital means. In this particular video, we are going to teach you and show you how to automate your company or your business messages through WhatsApp, where you can send bulk WhatsApp messages through this particular system, the system called Rapid Business Chat. This is a whole system on its own. As you can see from the screen, it's all about WhatsApp automation and how to send bulk WhatsApp messages to your clients or even people that you don't know for them to become your prospective or potential clients. Before we dive into how to set up this rapid business chat and also how beneficial it is, let me tell you a little story about the invention or the birth of this rapid business chat. As most of you probably might know already, Rapid Entrepreneurs has different businesses that we also manage. For example, as you can see from the screen, we have our rapid online courses where we train people to create websites and also all about digital marketing. We have a travel and tour agency. We have a school management system, a hospital management system. We have a different website that takes care of advertising video. We have our news website. We have our bulk SMS website. We have our cleaning website. And also we have the rapid business chat, which is the WhatsApp automation and sending of bulk WhatsApp messages. So the reason why we came out with this rapid business chat is that when we run Facebook ads or we advertise on Google or other places, we are able to attract a lot of WhatsApp messages. For example, let me briefly show you for you to see what we are talking about. So as you can see from the screen, if you click on WhatsApp business, this is our travel and tour WhatsApp. So because of privacy, I'm going to blur some of the numbers so that we don't know the people that we are talking about here. But you're going to see the features that we want to talk about. So as you can see from here, you see that we have a lot of messages that we receive on our WhatsApp. A lot of messages, more than 1,000 messages. Sometimes we're able to get 300 messages in a day, as you can see from the screen. These are people who are really interested in traveling. And we have this WhatsApp with one of our staff. But the main problem that we face is that because of the messages that they are able to receive, it becomes very difficult for him to reply all these people. And that is where our technical team came together to find a solution for this. Can we come out with a system that can help WhatsApp messages to be managed by 3, 5, 10, 20 people so that each team member can be assigned to reply the message in some couple of hours or in the morning or in the afternoon? So that was the question and the solution that we were looking for. We are happy to let you know that the final solution can be found in the rapid business chat. That is the whole idea. A WhatsApp account that can be managed by more than 2 people at the same time. That is the reason why we brought this rapid business chat. So without wasting much of your time, let me just dive in and show you some of the features and how we can benefit from the rapid business chat. So as you can see from the screen, if we talk about WhatsApp automation, then you need this rapid business chat. The team at Rapid Entrepreneurs are giving these discounted prices for this rapid business chat. Later on, we will talk about these prices. We have 36 days. We help business connect with their customers. So as you can see from the screen, if you want to connect with your customers, then you really need rapid business chat if you want to connect with your customers through WhatsApp. Before we start everything, let me talk about the requirements that someone will need before he's able to connect to this rapid business chat. You need an email, a live website URL, a Facebook account, a business certificate, business address proof document, and also a mobile number that has never been registered on WhatsApp. These documents will be submitted to Facebook because the setup, we are going to connect to the Facebook API, which is the Facebook developer account. So that is where we are going to do all the setup. And Facebook requires that you send your business documentation proof to them so that they can give you the opportunity to send these bulk WhatsApp messages to your clients and also do all these automations. If in any case you don't have a website, don't worry. Our team can quickly create one for you within a week. If you don't have a business certificate, don't worry. Our team will help you get a certificate within a week or less. So this means that every business at all who wants to reach more potential clients can readily join this special provision, especially now that the early bird adopters can get it at a very low price. Later on, as I mentioned, we will talk about pricing. If you check the pricing, it's very, very moderate. Every business can afford it. We have the basic plan, which is 400 Ghana cedis every 3 months. And we have the standard plan, which is 1,200 Ghana cedis every year. And we have the premium plan, which is 2,500 Ghana cedis for lifetime. So this means that if you're a company or a business and you purchase this lifetime access, you have the system for the rest of your life. You can use the system without any additional cost from Rapid Entrepreneurs. And you can send unlimited messages. You can add unlimited contacts. You can run your campaigns. You can check your inbox. You're going to see this very, very soon. So in case someone wants to purchase this, how does it go about it? It's very, very simple. If you want the basic plan, just click on this Purchase Now. It takes you to the purchasing area where you can purchase it through your credit card or bank account or Momo. So let me just quickly fill this form. Let's say rapidentrepreneurs@gmail.com. And then let me add my number, any number at all. Then I click on pay. Immediately I click on pay, it is going to take me to the payment option, whereby I'm going to see the details of what I'm paying for. So as you can see from here, you click here to choose whether MTN. You can use credit card, you can use mobile money, or you can use butter. But let's say I want to use mobile money. You just click and then you click here, you enter your phone number. So immediately you enter your phone number, just click on pay. Then you're going to receive the message. Yeah, so I just received the message to pay. All I need to do is to enter my Momo PIN. Immediately I enter my PIN, the money will be deducted and I can be signed up to this system. So getting this system is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. But now our main focus is to show you the features of this system. So why don't we go ahead and then let me show you what is involved in the Rapid Business Chat. After you sign up to the system, the team is going to set your own WhatsApp API and also WhatsApp automation for you. And after you've gotten your login details, just click on sign in. This sign in is going to take you where you are going to enter your username and password. Let me use the username for one of our companies, Rapid. So I want to log into our travel and tour automation system so that we use that one as an example. So this is how the Rapid Business Chat dashboard look like. If you come here, you can see everything that is going on. So for example, currently we've sent one WhatsApp. We have 411 contacts as at now because this is a new account we've created for our company. So what you're going to do is that I'm going to walk you through some of the features. So now that you've seen how the dashboard look like, the first thing that you need to do when you come here is to go to your contacts. That is the first thing that you need to do. So the contact will display, you will see an empty space when the account is created for you. So all these contacts, 433 that you saw, we got them in the period of just 24 hours. Not even up to 24 hours because we started running the Facebook ads from yesterday evening. So it's less than 24 hours, but we have been able to receive all these people. So even for you to see that what we are saying is true, you can check, let's see the date. Okay, when you get to the inbox, you see the date so that you know when each of them came. So you see up to 22. So when I click on the 22, you see that we have all these people here. We have all these people here. For the sake of privacy, I'm going to blur the numbers so that you don't see the numbers. But as for the name, it could be there. So that is how it is. So you can use this software to gather all your numbers, all the contacts, all the people that contact you. So the reason why I said come to contact is that you can add a new contact. Let's say if you have a contact and you want to add, for example, this is the contact for Rapid, one of our phone numbers we use for the Rapid Travel and Tour. So let's say Rapid Travel and Tour. You can add first name and last name. Let me paste this one here. The phone number is 0200676770. So always make sure that you make it 233. Is good. So with country code, so instead of 020, it will be 23320. The email address, if it has an email address, let me use info@rapidtravelandtour.com. So immediately you are done, you can click on save. You can also import. So you see the contact already exists, so it was not able to add it. Why don't I add a different one? Let me see. This is just an example. 2335544400059. This is one of Rapid Entrepreneurs, our contact line. So let me save the contact so that you see how it really works. This contact is already there. Let me type any other thing. Let me remove 59 and let's say 58. This is not our main contact, but for the purpose of the demonstration, let me save it. So you see contacts updated successfully. So the contact has been saved. So whether you have the contact on your phone, you can do that. But if you want to import it in more, let's say if you want to import 1,000, 2,000 contacts, just come to download sample, click on download. Immediately you click on download, it's going to download it for you. So you see this is a sample of the Excel sheet that you fill so that you enter all the phone numbers. This is the sample one. After you fill it, you can just click on open to add it. But if you want to download, just click on this download sample. You see it has downloaded sample 1. So when I open it right now, so as you can see, this is the sample we are going to follow. So if the contact you want to add, if you know their names and their phone numbers, just add it. If you know their birthday, just add it. If you know their last name, just add it. If you know their city, just add it. So when you add it, then you can save it and import it later in the sample that we showed you. So it's very, very simple to add. I mean, most of you know how to use Excel, so I don't have to waste much time here. Just add all the phone numbers, the names. If you don't know their name, just forget about the name. Just add only the phone numbers and import it. Make sure that you add the phone numbers in the row where we have the phone number. Don't enter the phone number here, but this is where you have to enter the phone number. So after you've added it, you can just click on File Import, then you attach the file. But for the sake of this demonstration, let's proceed. So now that you've seen how the contacts area work, what you can also do is the advanced filters. You can filter the contact. If you want the contact that came yesterday, you can just click on yesterday. If you want last 7 days, last 30 days, or you want to find a custom range, you can also do that. So this is a very, very powerful system that you can use for several other things. If you are done with the filter, you can clear the filter so that it comes back to normal. If you want to show more than 20, let's say you want to show 500. So instead of it to show in different ranges, all the contacts will be shown here. As you can see, all these contacts were added in less than 24 hours through Facebook ads. So in case you want our team at Rapid Entrepreneurs to handle your Facebook account, don't worry, we can do that. We run ads for you to receive more than 300 messages in a day. And these are all potential people who are interested in your service. So if you want this service, don't worry, just reach out to Rapid Entrepreneurs and we will readily assist you. Now that you've seen the contact, let's come back to the campaigns. So the campaigns is when you want to create a campaign. Let's say you want to broadcast some messages to a group of people. You come to campaign. But before we start creating our campaign, there's one more thing that we need to do. You can always come back to contacts and then you click on groups so that you can create several groups here. So for example, let me go back to the all contacts and let me search for 0200676770 and then apply filter. Okay, because this is not 0233, so let's apply filter. Okay, so you see Rapid, we have this number here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this Rapid because I want to add this number to a group. So when you click on that, the number selected, then you say add group. So what is the group name? The group name is tests. Test, because I want to test this one. So click on save. So you see this number has been added to the test group. So it means that I can select more numbers. So this, let's say if I want to select, or even if you want to select all of them, you can select all the phone numbers. You can select all the phone numbers and then you add it to the group you want to create. But for the sake of this demonstration, I don't want to add any clients. These are real clients. So I don't want to add any clients to this test message I want to send. So let's stick to this. So now we've created a group. If you come to groups, we have two groups. This is the one we just created, test group, that has one member. This is USA group. So one thing that you can also do is that this is a travel and tour WhatsApp automation system. So what we can do is that we can create a group called highly interested applicants. This is just an example. Okay, so because we've not selected any team member, let me copy this first and then let me try saving. You see the message that will come. Group successfully created. So when you come to the group, you see highly interested. We have 20 people in the group because it selected 20. So let's edit the group. Because I first selected all 20, that's why they are all here. But we can now deselect. We can now deselect them. Okay, so yeah, if you want to deselect some, you can deselect some of them. So let me update group. So now, instead of 20 people, we are looking forward to see a little. Now you can see we have only 5 people in the group. So you can always edit it, add more to the group, remove some from the group. It's very, very simple to do that. So now that we've shown you how to create groups, let's go ahead and start creating our campaign. So now we can come back to campaigns and create new campaign. Now when you get here, you can name your campaign. This is a test campaign. This is a test campaign. So the name is Steven, and then the phone number that is going to be used for the account is here. So what we need to do is to click on group. So if you don't want to send to all the contacts, just select group. Now when you click here, you see all the groups. Because this is a test, I want to use the test group. So I've selected the test group. So what you're going to do is that we go to next. This is the sample. Let's create a new template. If you want to create something new altogether, this is how you're going to do it. Template name is test. And then template category authentication, header, none. So this is where you enter your details. So let's say hi John, we are happy to let you know that this is a test message. So you add all your message here. You add a message here. This message will appear at the footer, and then you can also add buttons to it. Even you can add call to action. So you can say call phone number, then you can write hotline. And then the phone number 0200676770. So this is it. So one interesting thing is that you see, whilst you are typing here, you see the message around this place. So what you're going to do is that we will add the sample. Let's first of all save it. Let's save it. So now we've saved the template. So now you see that the template is in review. The template is in review. So Facebook is going to approve this template in a period of 24 hours. In a period of 24 hours. So because we want to demonstrate this, let me quickly go to the approved templates and select this approved one, and let's use for the example. So because this one is already approved, we can feel free and use this one. So let me start the process again for you to see how it is. So first of all, we went to campaigns. So after that we click on create new campaign, and then we selected the group, and then we chose test group. Because this one is already approved by Facebook, we don't need to create a new one. So before you run a campaign, make sure that you submit your template to Facebook. When they approve it, then you can run it. So now let me click on next. Sorry, I've not entered the campaign name. So the campaign name is tests campaign. The name is already there, so all I need to do is to click on next. So as you can see, because of the Facebook ads we are running and the number of messages that are coming, that's the reason why we are not able to send this campaign from this account. But if you create your account and you've not run ads, you may be able to send any messages that you want. And one thing is that Facebook is going to give you 1,000 free messages to send. After the 1,000 messages, if you want to send any additional message, they are going to charge you. This charge is going to be from Facebook, not from Rapid Entrepreneurs. We give you the system one time, and Facebook gives you the credit that you need to send your messages. So that is it. If it had not been this issue, we would have just clicked on OK, and then we click next, and then you can send your campaign for the recipient inside the test group. It's very, very simple. For not to waste much of your time, let me continue to the inbox. So from the campaigns, you can come to the inbox. So the inbox is where you have your conversation with your client. So as you can see, people are messaging us every minute. Every minute, people are messaging us. So 9:51 people have messaged us, and you can see that 10:46 too, they are still messaging us. So immediately the person click on UK. You see that the UK, thanks for your interest in the UK work permit. All these came automatically. I'll demonstrate to you very soon. I'll show you how this is done. So that is the inbox. It shows you the conversation inbox. Now let's get to the fun part. When you come to the automation area, that is where the action begins. You can automate all the messages, all the things that people are going to send to you or request from you from your WhatsApp page. For example, we have created these automations. Keyword-based message, France visa, Australia visa, action message, USA visa, our office location. So we have created all of these so that when people send messages that include any of these keywords, these are the trigger words. How will I go about it? When someone enter this, it means that this message is going to pop up for the person. I'll demonstrate for you to see. When someone click on or type USA or US visa, America, US, United States visa, all this is going to go to the person. Let me show you how it is done. So these are the action area. So greeting message, we have already set our greeting message. That is official greeting that when someone send hi to your WhatsApp number for the first time, the message that will go. And we have the keyword-based message. That is where the power or the action is. We also have birthdays and anniversary and also festival discount. We have reminders that is coming soon. So you can try all of this, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's try the keyword-based message. So let's say that we want to name this. I want to name it Nigeria. When this happens, so when someone type Nigeria or Nigeria visa, I want this message to go. So I don't want to interfere with the main account or the main ads we are running. That is why I want to show you this as an example. So let's save this. We are expecting that when someone is chatting us and the person type Nigeria visa or Nigeria, that message that we wrote should go to the person. So now let's see the fun part. Let's click on inbox. So for you to see how this automation works, I'm using my WhatsApp number on the phone to chat our company WhatsApp. So hi, I also reply hi. So this is what I've replied now, hi. And on the phone I'll type, how are you? I've sent how are you. So you see immediately the person saying how are you, it comes. And then I will say, okay, I am fine. Okay, I will rather reply here, I am fine. Okay, so even with this how are you, you can even automate it, but just I didn't automate it in this example. Do you have Nigeria visa? So that is the client who is asking it. So I've just asked, do you have Nigeria visa? Just a moment, look at what is going to happen. So you see, immediately you ask, do you have a Nigeria visa? This is a sample text message to show you that we don't have Nigeria visa. Exactly what we type. Now I want to ask again, what about Canada? What about Canada? So with this, it was added before this presentation. So you see, what about Canada? So let's see what is going to happen. You can always refresh the page. If you click on refresh, then the page will be refreshed. So you see automatically, hello, we are happy to see you are interested in our Canada visa. We are willing to help you secure your visa in no time. So this is the Canada visa. Now I want to ask another question. Do you have US? So as I said, this is the fun part. So do you have USA? You can also even enable notifications. Now I've asked, do you have USA? Now let me refresh the page and see what will happen. We also have US dependent visas. This is a 3-month. So, okay, let's say, what about Dubai? So that is what I'm asking now. So what about Dubai? Then automatically, let's see what will go. So let's look at, did you wanted to know about the Dubai visa? The total cost is 25,000 cedis. And then it goes on to tell you the requirements and everything. So you see, any business at all that you're having, you just need this system to automate all your processes. Probably you are the only one running your business. So instead of you to spend time answering any question at all, automate them. Find some of the frequently asked questions from your people. Just automate them. If you do that, you are going to get a lot of clients. As you can see, just now someone has also joined. Someone has joined 10:59. Someone has joined right now. This is the previous chat. You see, so immediately someone joins, it's going to send you notifications on that. Interesting enough, you'll be able to do this on your phone. It's not just the computer that you can do that. So now I want to show you how it looks like when you are trying to log in with your phone. So as you can see, this is the chat or the phone version. So I can also ask, what about France? So when I ask, what about France? You see, when you scroll to the top, let me show you. Attention, all traveler, have you been dreaming of experiencing the beauty and charm of France? So you can automate everything. So now the last thing that we are going to do is that I want to log into the Rapid Business Chat from the phone. So you just go to your Chrome. Just go to Chrome. And then you just type app.rapidbusinesschat.com. That is the URL that you use. Or you just go to the main website, rapidbusinesschat.com, and then you can easily click on sign in. So you see, because I've already logged in, immediately I click on it, it takes me directly to my account. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the inbox so that I can check the messages. So you just click on inbox. You see how fast it is? It is loading the inbox now. And because I have this on my phone, I'm using it as a WhatsApp. And another person can also use it. And multiple users can have access to the same account. You see, we still have the desktop version, but I've opened the phone. A different person can also open, and we can all chat at the same time. So you see, when you click on this icon, you see all the names are here. You can just click on Rapid Travel and Tour, and then I can also chat from here. Hi. So you see, you can chat from here, and the person can also chat you. Let me reply the hi. So you see, hi, hello. I'm also replying as hello. And now when I go back to the main chat, you see that the hello too will be here. You can always refresh it. So you can always click on the refresh, and then it's going to refresh the page for you. So let's wait patiently for it to finish. So as you can see from the screen, that is it. So the hello has come. I can also add how are you. So I mean, you've gotten the point. So this is what we mean by the WhatsApp automation. You automate the information you want people to hear. You automate everything. Just program it into the system, whatever keywords you want to use, and then people will just contact you through your WhatsApp. So when you can add your link and a lot of things. You can do a lot of things with this automation system. So without wasting much time, just jump onto the website, subscribe for a plan, whether the quarterly, yearly, or lifetime access is all fine. You can start with it and then let your business and your company get to the next level by responding to clients' messages through automations. So the rest of it, the template, this is where you come here to add a new template, you send it. Okay, so you see this one is in review, this one has been rejected because these are all samples that we created. They are not real ones. So Facebook is going to either reject it or approve of it. So when you are ready, you just create your template and then you send it for Facebook's approval. This is the API setup. So this is the setup that we are going to do for you. So this is technical. Our team is going to do that for you. We are going to add your cloud API, your phone number ID, your permanent access token, and also your registered number, your WhatsApp business account ID. So all of these things are going to be provided by Facebook, and that is why you need to get a live and real Facebook account where we create a developer account with your Facebook account. So this is your website status. You can even update your status from here. You can change your profile picture. You can change your description. Everything is here. Everything is here. So as you can see, you see the number of conversations that has been going on. So 147 conversation, 331 conversation. Just look at the time. This is 23rd. So we started just yesterday, 23rd of May. And yesterday, 331 when we started the ads. And just this morning, 24th May, we have gotten 147 just this morning. Getting to the evening, you see that this is going to multiply. So this means that you have all it takes. You have all it takes to move your business to the next level by getting this rapid business chat WhatsApp automation for your business. So if you want to check your profile picture and other things, this is where you come. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp profile. You come here, just click on WhatsApp profile, and then it takes you to where you have your WhatsApp profile. If you want to update your... Okay, so you see it is asking me to log into the account because you need to log into your Facebook account before you can access the developer account area. So this is about the business, this is the category, this is the business description, this is the location. So thank you very much for watching. We hope that for those of you who have not heard about our bulk SMS tool, you will do that very soon, because if you have this bulk or WhatsApp automation system, the next thing that you need is your bulk SMS. You can send SMS messages to a lot of people, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 people with just a single click. So thank you for watching, and we hope to set up this system for your company so that you can also move your company to the next level. Thank you very much. And if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel or if you've not followed us on Facebook, you can do that so that you can get more exciting offers as we drop them.